Hi guys, welcome to another video on our YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be reviewing this planter stand which I've got from Amazon. It's from the brand called TrustBasket. I got it for 2598 rupees and the metal of this is iron. It's rust resistant as well, so you can comfortably use it for your plants. So the package includes all the required materials to fix the stand like bolts, nuts, spanner is also given so that you can easily fix it. To begin with, place the sideward stand like shown in the video so that it will be easy to fix the shelves later on. Pull them up, single rod is given, put it so that the whole setup stays intact. Place the shelf slowly as shown in the video and bolt it up. Once you've placed your first shelf, you can go to the second shelf and then the third one. So this is very easy to fix. Don't forget to use these rings, one at top and one at the bottom, and bolt it up. And also use the spanner so that you can tightly fix the setup and it won't move here and there. So this is how it looks once it's done, and also it swings a bit, so that is the only concern I have. Other than that, it's all good. But once you place the planters over that, it won't look as if there is any issue, so it's totally fine, it's adjustable. But that's the only concern I have with this stand. And if you have a small balcony like me, you can always install such vertical stands so that you can fit in more plants in less space. So also, one more thing to keep in mind is the space beneath your stand. So as you can see, this stand has so much of space so that you can easily clean it, right? So I used to have another small stands, so the issue with that was cleaning. So all the dirt and soil and everything, the dried leaves, everything used to get collected below the stand, and it was very difficult to clean. So please, whenever you are trying to buy a stand, keep that in mind. It should be easily cleanable. It should have nice gap. If you have hanging planters, I also have bought another planter stand. I will put the link of the stand in the description box. Just go and watch it. And if you have any questions regarding any of these planters or any of the products discussed in our YouTube channel, you can always put them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching our video and stay connected.